Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I will be talking about how you can use the Starling Bank app. So you can use the Starling Bank app once you have created a Starling Bank account. So once you have created a Starling Bank account, you do not need the Starling card to use the Starling Bank app. You can directly start using your Starling Bank app once you have created your account. So if you want to start using your Starling Bank account digital wallet, then you'll need to set up your Starling digital wallet. So if you want to set up a digital wallet with Starling, you need to link your Starling digital wallet with your Apple Pay or Google Pay digital wallet. You can do this direct from the Starling Bank app. So if you want to link your Starling digital wallet with your Apple Pay or Google Pay, simply go on the card section on the Starling Bank app, and once you're on the card section, simply tap on add to Apple Wallet or add to Google Wallet as per your preference and follow the step. And now by linking your Starling digital wallet with your Apple Pay or Google Pay, you can directly use your Starling Bank account with your Apple Pay or Google Pay. So in this way you can use your Starling Bank app for transactions. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any queries then please make sure to leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.